Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam wa ala ashabihi wa ahli baytihi. So today we are going to learn something new. This new is very important. Why? Because it will impact the fi'l mudare. Maybe you remember before two lectures or three lectures, we learned that fi'l mudare, it goes into majzoom and mansoob. So now we have to learn what are those things which makes fi'l mudare mansoob. This is very special. So these things, they are not only change the physical shape of the fi'l mudare, they are changing the meaning also. And sometimes the change in meaning is very strange. So that's why you have to keep focus. They are very easy, but slowly we'll take two or three of them, and inshallah, then we'll explain one by one. They are few, not too much. So we have to go back again and start the lecture. Okay, Miss Habiba, can you call our first student?
Yes. Asma's iPhone. Sister.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, so can you read the heading?
Nawasibul Muzare.
Okay, Nawasibul Mudare. Nawasibul Mudare, it means they are the special letters which makes fi'l mudare mansoob. Now, I think you already remember how fi'l mudare becomes mansoob, right?
Yes.
Yaf'alu, it becomes yaf'ala. Yaf'aluna, it becomes yaf'alu. Yaf'alani, it becomes yaf'ala. Af'alu, it becomes af'ala. Naf'alu, it becomes naf'ala. So that is how fi'l mudare goes to mansoob. Okay. So can you read what is written?
It is written lan.
Lan. It is lan. Noon is sakin. Second,
Noon is sakin. Kai.
kai. Kai. Kaf and ya, kai. What is behind on the bottom of kai?
Lekai, li.
Likai and li. Lam,
yes.
maksur. And with kasra.
Yes.
Lam with kasra. So kai, likai and li. This kai, it means this kai and likai and li. This all they are having same purpose, same meaning, same thing. So that's why I put them in one portion. Next, can you read?
Izan.
Idan. So noon is sakin. Idan. Idan. Next.
An.
An. Noon is also sakin. Next.
Hatta.
Hatta. This is hatta. Okay. So,
yes.
Can you read the statement?
These letters or words don't have any meaning, but they create meaning when they are attached with sentences, and they force some changes in the construction of verb and meaning of sentence.
Okay.
So they are affecting the sentences.
Yes. These are the letters. Lan, kai, idan, an, hatta. They force fi'l mudare to become mansoob. This is the first thing, always remember. The first thing is the construction change, the construction of the verb. They changes the construction of the verb. What? They make them mansoob. Second thing, they will force the meaning of sentence. Okay? They don't have their own meanings. Okay, sister? They don't have their own meaning. Whenever they become in the beginning of sentence, then they will create some meaning. Okay? So that we have to keep in mind. So they are actually four. Lan, kai, idan, an, and hatta. 5. So this kai sometime used li kai, or sometime it is used lam with kasra li. Mostly in Quran it is used lam with kasra. Kai and li kai, they are very few. Mostly they are used as lam with kasra. Now, one by one, we'll apply and we'll see what the changes they are bringing. Okay, so can you read the heading?
Uses and effects of learn.
Okay, uses and effects of learn. So learn what it does with the sentence. Okay, can you read the sentence?
Ashrabu.
Ashrabu. It is Madi or Mudare?
It is Muzare.
It is Mudare. So what does it mean? Ashrabu.
I will drink or I drink.
Yeah, I shall drink or I am drinking. It can
Yes.
be both meaning, but it requires the phrase that where we are using. So, but
Yes.
it can be given two meaning. Okay. Now we brought what? Learn. Now we'll see
Learn.
what this thing will create any change. Learn. After learn, what we learned? First, we have to bring the physical change. So what will be the physical change of ashrabu after learn?
Mansub. It will create mansub.
How it will be?
Ashrabu.
No, you forget. I just explained af'ala, naf'ala. When we will make fail mudare mansub, what the thing will get changed? Identify.
This the end vowel of the last word.
Yeah,
Ashraba.
the end, the last letter's vowel will get changed, affected.
Change.
It will be fatha. Ashraba. Ashraba. So the sentence will become lan ashraba.
And
Okay, lan ashraba. This I just brought one example. So it can be used with all the full chart. Can you hold 1 minute? Okay, so it will become what? Lan ashraba. Lan ashraba. So now we have to learn what are those things we will get from this learn. Can you read what it became?
harfu nafi.
Harfu nafi. So it means it is a letter which create a negation meaning, negative meaning. Okay.
Yes.
But what kind of negative meaning? This we have to know. It is different from the others, what we learn like la, ma, different from
Yes.
them. So first change, can you read? What is the statement?
It forces Muzare to become mansub.
Okay, the first change we already completed.
Done.
Next.
It creates strong negation like never.
Okay.
Never.
Next.
It fixes the meaning of sentence to future.
Okay. So mean one
I
is
will
the
never
construction change,
drink.
became mudare. Second, the meaning change. There are two changes in the meaning. What? One is for future. Second is a strong negation. Never. So what does it
Never.
mean? Lan ashraba.
I will never drink.
I will
I shall
never
never-
drink. Or
I-
I will never drink. For example, I'm asking you, please drink this tea. So you are saying lan ashraba. When you will say lan ashraba, it means Muhammad Tariq should understand. Now I should not ask you next time. I
Yes,
should
sir.
not ask you another time. Because
Yes.
you are already saying lan ashraba, it means I should understand you have closed that discussion. So it is different. If you say la ashrabu, I will not drink, I shall not
I
drink.
will.
So I will request you, please drink. And you are
Okay.
saying no,
Yes.
lan ashraba. So it means that now I should understand, halas, topic is closed. You are not going to drink. I will never drink. It means a strong negation, and where in the future. And it is for the answering for the future. Okay.
Future.
This is
Understand.
I think it's not very hard to digest, is it?
Yes. Yes. No. It's
You have to keep in mind just, and you have to practice. Now, what you can do, go in the Quran, you have lots of apps, put their word learn, click enter and search. What are the verses there? Where the learn is coming? What this learn is affecting there? What are the meanings? So you can easily grab it. Okay. The next thing,
Yes.
can you read what is the heading?
Kai uses and effects.
K uses and effects. Okay. So, can you read the sentence?
Kharajat min al fasli.
Sister,
sorry, kharaj.
sister,
No, no, sorry. kharajatu min al-fasli.
sister. When any letter is not having any vowel, consider it sakin.
Yes, sir. Kharajtu min al-fasli.
Kharajtu min al-fasli. Thank you very much for reading it correct.
Sorry,
Kharajtu min al-fasli. So this kharajtu is fail mudare or mazi?
and then it's Muzare.
It's mudare. Very good. Excellent answer. Miss Habiba, can you give her award?
Kharajtu.
Just check. Do you have any alamat mudare over there? Two. Ends with the zamir.
This is Mazi.
Yes.
So now who is wrong,
Actually,
teacher or the student?
No, I am sorry. I'm sorry.
No problem. I'm not saying all these things by anger. I'm trying to say it lightly, in the light
You are
manner.
going for
You should get some award for saying kharajtu. No problem. No problem. Kharajtu min al-fasli. So what is the file
Yes.
of kharajtu?
It is kharaja. Kharajtu. Well, I went out.
Ana. In Arabic,
Ana.
you will say ana. It is the file.
Ana.
Kharajtu. Kharajtu min al-fasli. Okay, what is the translation of sentence now? Kharajtu min al-fasli.
I went out of class.
Yes, I went out of class. I exited the class. Okay. I left the class. Okay, so now we'll change the student. We'll say Miss Rashida Habiba ma'am.
Thank you
Can
so
please
much.
join? Thank you very much, Sister Asma.
Yes, I.
Are you there, sister?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay. Can you read the sentence, the same sentence?
Kharajtu min al-fasli.
Kharajtu min al-fasli. So, kharajtu il-fail mazi or mudare?
It's fi'l mali.
It's fail mazi. Okay. Now we'll see the next thing. Now, can you read the sentence?
Kai ashrab al-ma.
Kai ashrab al-ma'a. Your sound is swinging. Can you read again?
Ashrab al-ma'a.
No, your sound is not clear. This topic is very important. Sorry, I have to mute. Any other student is there to participate?
Sir, take Miss Sabia. Miss Sabia, do you want to practice with us?
Any student is there? No one from them is there to explain. Okay, I will explain by myself and we will not do any practice.
So,
Okay,
Miss
Miss
Sabia,
Habiba?
let's check with Miss Sabia. I have 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Miss Sabia, ji.
Okay, can you read the sentence?
Kai ashrab al-ma'a.
Kai ashrab al-ma'a. Okay, good. So, kai ashrab al-ma'a. So, tell me, this ashrab is fail mazi or mudare?
Muzare.
How you recognize that is mudare?
From the symbol, sir. Alif in the front.
Yes, this alif represent to what? Huwa, huma, hum, what?
I.
Ana. Tell me in Arabic. Ana, not I.
Ana.
Ana. So it represents ana. So this ashraba, what is that? This is marfu, mansoob or majzoom?
Mansoob, sir.
This is mansoob. Good. So why it became mansoob?
Because of kai.
Because of kai. Because kai is from those letters which forces fail mudare to mansoob. So al-ma'a, why it is mansoob then?
It is maful for ashrab.
Very good. It is
Ashrab.
maf'ul for ashraba. So what does that mean? Translation.
Ashraba. Ashrab al-ma.
Just answer.
I
Just
drink
translate.
water or
Ashrabul
I will
ma'a.
drink water, right?
I will drink water. Okay. Now we will understand what does it mean, kai. Can you read the next sentence?
From here, sir. Akhruju.
Yes.
Yeah. Akhruju min al-fasli.
Okay, complete.
Okay. The translation.
No. Complete the full sentence until end.
Okay. Akhruju minal fasli li kai ashrabal ma.
Good. So akhruju min al fasli. This akhruju fail madi or mudare.
Mudare sir.
What is the fa'il?
Ana.
Ana. So akhruju min al fasli. What does it mean?
I exited from the class.
Good.
No,
Can you read
no,
next sentence?
Akhruju, no,
I am
not
exiting.
past tense.
I am exiting.
I will exit, or I am exiting from the class.
Yes. Next sentence.
Okay. Akhrujul minal fasli li ashrabal ma.
Good. So these three I have already explained. There are three type of the same things. Kai, li, kai, and li. What does it call? What does it called? Can you read?
Yeah, it is called harfu ta'lil.
Harfu ta'lil. Very good. Ta'lil. Ta'lil, it means explanation. Okay.
Yeah.
This harf is for what? For explanation. For
Yes.
explanation for what? Explanation, the action, it was done before. So it comes for the explanation of the action which we done. Now we'll see.
Okay.
Can you read the statement?
It forces mudare to become mansub.
Good. Second thing.
It gives the reason of the previous verb.
Very good. Now can you adjust it in the translation? Kharajtu min al-fasli kay yashrab al-ma'a.
Okay. Kharajtu is fail mazi. Okay. I left the class.
Yes, I left the class. Now, why you left the class?
I left the class to drink water.
Yes, I left the class to drink water. To drink water. So this kai, likai or li, it comes for what? For explanation the previous action. Okay. So before kai, it can be mazi, it can be mudare. That's why I brought two examples that someone cannot fix it. So I wanted to explain that it can be mazi, it can be mudare. But after kai, surely it will be mudare.
Okay.
Please, my sisters, my respected sisters, whenever you read any sentence, any verb, first bring your mind, is it mazi or mudare? Past or future or present? Then you have to translate according to the real sentence. Now you are, mashallah, in almost more than 40 lectures. So a student at that stage, after so much lectures, he should pick it immediately. You can make the mistaken meaning. For example, for kharajtu, you say I drank. I will say no, it does not mean drank. It means I exited. What? The meaning of the sentence according to the verb, it should be correct to represent in which time it has done. It's past or future or present. This you have to be very careful. Okay, Sister Sabiha. Next sentence, can you translate? Akhruju min al-fasli likay ashrab al-ma'a.
This is mudare, no? So I am leaving the class to drink water.
Very good,
I will leave
excellent.
the class to drink water.
Very, very good. I am leaving the class, I am exiting the class to drink water. For example, you were sitting in your class, you stand up and teacher asks you, what happened, Miss Sabiha? You are saying, Akhruju min al-fasli likay yashrab al-ma'a. And for example, someone find you outside the class and he asks you, Miss Sabiha, what you are doing outside class? What you will say? Kay yashrab al-ma'a. Kharajtu min al-fasli kay yashrab al-ma'a. I exited the class to drink water. MashaAllah, very good. The last sentence?
Akhrujul, Akhruju minal
Akhrujul,
fasli.
why, sister? There's no al.
Sorry. Akhruju minal fasli li ashrabal ma'a.
Yes. So what does it mean? Translation?
It's the same like the previous
Yes,
one because it's
same.
mudare.
Same. Only the change is what? Kai li. Purpose is same. No difference. Okay.
Yes.
So
Instead
Sister
of
Sabiha,
li kai, we have used li over here.
huh?
Instead of likai, in the previous we have used li
Yes.
over here, right?
Yes, and mostly in Quran, it is used li, mostly, most of the time. So always remember that after kai, the fail will become mudare mansub. Mudare mansub. This we have to remember. Okay, the last for today's lecture. Can you read the heading?
Yeah, isn't uses and effects.
Very good. Idhan, uses and effects. Can you read the sentence?
Sa asrihu jawala Khalidin.
Very good. Asriku, it is which fail? Madi or mudare?
It's mudare, sir.
What is the file?
Ana.
Ana. Jawwal, it means mobile phone.
Okay.
Okay. So scene, what does it mean scene? This scene is standing for what?
It's for future.
For future. So asriku jawwala Khalidin, for near future, mean you are going to do now. So how you will translate? Saraka yasriku, from Bab,
Yeah.
Daraba, seen, Waqaf, Mada, it means to steal. So how you will translate that sentence?
I will steal Khalid's mobile.
I will steal Khalid's mobile. You are informing me, for example, you are telling me. Oh, what will happen? Read. Can you read the sentence?
Yeah. Isn't yadribaka Khalidun.
Okay. Now we'll see. What does it mean? What is this letter?
Isn't is called harful jawab.
Harful jawab. This is to answer for something. Harful jawab. So can you read what is the explanation?
It forces mudare to become mansub.
Good. Next thing.
It always comes for some answer.
Very good. So it always comes for some answer. Next.
Meaning of the sentence will be fixed in future.
Very good. Excellent. The meaning will be fixed with the future. So these are two most important things. Okay. You see, it's become mudare. Actually, yadriba and kaf, it is maf'ul. Khalidun, it is fa'il because it is marfu. So now, how you will translate? So asriku jawwala Khalidin, you told me, and I am answering you. Idan yadribaka Khalidun.
Okay. So this isn't means then.
Yes, then what will happen? This is for idan. Then what will happen?
Okay. Yadribaka. So Khalidun is the file here. Then Khalid will beat you.
Then Khalid will beat you. Excellent, mashallah. Sa'asriqu jawwala Khalidin, idan yadribaka Khalidun. You know why I always bring these kind of sentences? Sometime one of the student commented, always you are writing daraba yadribu and always beating. What is this? So this is normally in Arabic, not only Muhammad Tariq is doing, mostly in Arabic study. These are the simplest example to explain something. So to keep something in mind, it does not mean that we are only talking about beating and fighting and killing. No, it does not mean that. Okay. So idan yadribaka Khalidun. So Sister Sabiha, point is clear now?
Yeah.
So what we learned, what the letters we learned today? Just
We
recap.
learn.
Learn. Good. Second.
Then likai.
Li
Li or
kai or likai or li.
li. Yeah.
Okay. The third one.
And isn't.
Idan. Good. So what does what is lan called? Which harf? Harfu?
Nafi.
Harfu nafi. Good. And kai, what does it called?
Kai. Harfu talil.
Harfu ta'lil. Ta'lil, what does it mean, ta'lil? Explanation.
It gives the reason. It gives the reason of the action.
Yes. And idan, which harf it is called?
Harfu jawab.
Harful jawab, to answer something. So these are the three. Okay. So lan when lan attached to the sentence, the meanings goes to where? Past, future, or present?
It changes the meaning to future, sir.
Future. Very good. This is the most important. Future. Okay. Kai, li kai, and li. And what does it do? It forces the meaning to future, present, or past.
Yes.
No, it is not giving meaning in any
Yeah,
what?
any tense.
In any time. It is just giving a nominal meaning of the action.
Yeah.
Like kai ashraba, to drink. So to drink, it is verb or a noun.
It's a noun form of.
Yeah, it is the noun of the verb. So now the most important point in this kai and li, that it does not attach the meaning to some time like past, future, or present, but it creates the meaning of the verb mudare to a nominal meaning, to do something. Okay. So
Yes.
idhan is what it does. It fixes the meaning to past, future, or present.
Future.
Future. Excellent, mashallah. I hope the point is clear now. Okay. So, Miss Habiba, now you can continue.
Yes, exactly.
So, please, my dear sisters, anyone there to participate, please participate. That is a request.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Now, I think you all the students have brought me to the position where I should join my hands in front of you to beg you, please join the practice.
Okay, Sister Sabia, do you want to practice with me? Okay, Asma's iPhone. Yes, Asma.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. What was our today's topic?
Today's topic is Nawasib Muzare. What are
What does it
the it takes the Muzare Mansub?
Okay,
And
it
we have
takes the,
studied
it takes the, no, I said, what does it do? What's the meaning of
it
the
makes the
Nawasib
Nawasib. It
Mudare?
makes the Muzare Mansub, and they have different meanings attached with different words. Today we studied
Okay.
3 words,
Perfect.
lan, kai, and 2 attached with it, lucky and li, and the last one is isn't.
Okay. What is the name for lan? Do we have any name
It
for
is
lan?
harf-e nafi. It is
Yes,
for the
harf nafi,
never,
particle of
meaning
negation.
never.
We'll call it
Yes,
particle of negation, right?
strong negation.
Okay. Just tell me, it is attached to which tense? The past tense, the future tense, or the present tense? It
It is
takes
attached with Muzare. It is attached with
okay.
Muzare.
It is
And it
connected.
gives
Yeah,
the
it
reason
represents the future. Okay, it represents the future tense. Right,
future.
very good. And it is called harf-e nafi. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, read the sentence and using lan, you have to, yes, reconstruct it using lan. Okay,
Inshallah.
first read the sentence, give me the translation, and then do it with the lan.
Yansahu Nomanu Akhaka. Noman advised your brother. And
Yansahu, advise your brother. Yansahu, Yansahu. Is it the present tense? Is it the mudare or the mazi?
It is Muzare.
Muzare. So how should you give the translation?
Noman will advise your brother. Sorry.
Either you take it to the future tense or keep it in the present tense. So when we are keeping in the present tense, we won't be adding the ing form of this because that will take it to the past participle. So we'll keep it Noman advises or will advise.
Advises.
Okay?
Noman advises
advises or will advise. Okay. Give me the translation.
Translation of this sentence, Yansahu Nomanu Akhaka. Yeah. Noman advises your brother.
Okay. Advises or will advise your brother. Okay. Now use the particle lan and just tell me what does it do in the sentence. What does it do in the sentence?
Okay. Lan, we will start with Lan Yansaha.
No.
Yansaha.
What are its effects on the text?
Its effect, it will
on the
make
text.
the Muzare verb mansoob.
Very good.
And then we will change according to this.
No, I'll tell you one thing. It makes the verb, it takes the verb to the subjunctive mood or the mansoob. It makes the mudare mansoob. Then
yes,
it gives extra emphasis to the text. Gives extra nafi takid, but in the negative meaning. Okay.
Negation,
Gives extra emphasis to the word, but to the text, but in the negation.
Negation.
Okay. And then in the negative form, and it keeps the verb especially for the future tense, exclusively for future tense.
Future tense. Okay? This 3 points for it. 3 points for it.
Yes, 3 points for learn. Okay. Now change it. Use the learn and construct the sentence, please.
Lan yansaha Numanu akhuka. Numan will never advise your brother.
Not akhuka, akhaka.
Akhaka.
Will not change akhuka.
Why not akhuka? Do you know?
No, because it is not naibul file. We are not changing. It is not affecting. It is not affecting. It is only affecting the verb.
What is it then? Akhaka is what?
Akhaka is marfu. No, it is maf'ul of Numan.
Okay. Is it making any phrase?
Yeah.
Any compound?
It is today actually treatment I am not considering. It is what
you are doing, sister? You are having treatment?
Yeah, actually this is very strong.
No, don't do. This is very important because sister, your practice, your exercise is affecting the others.
Yeah, actually today I am not
always
cannot. There's some problem.
No problem. May Allah give you.
No problem. May Allah give you.
You can mute.
Tomorrow for the last dose,
no problem.
inshallah.
Okay, Miss, you can do with the
Miss Sabia. Miss
Yes,
Sabia, you there? Yes. Give me the phrase or the compound in akaka.
Lan yansaha.
I said give me the phrase. Give me the phrase or the compound in akaka.
Akhaka.
What is
the
it?
name is Murakkabi Izafi.
Very good. Why is it aka and not akhu?
Because it's the maf'ul here.
Yeah. So maf'ul will always be in the
nasab state.
Which state? Nasab state. In the subjective mood or the nasab state. So, acha, what is aka actually?
Asma Khamsa. It's among the Asma Khamsa.
Yes. What does it do? What does they do?
When they come as mudaf, they have a special physical form.
Yes, excellent. So now this is in the subject mansoob state. So it is aka. And if it give me the rafa state for this.
It's akhu, akha, akhi.
Very good. Okay. Masha. Use the lan and construct the sentence here.
Lan yansaha Nu'mana akhaka.
Very good.
No manu. Sorry, no manu. That will
no
not
manu akhaka. Yes. Okay. Now what does lan do? Effects of lan.
It has changed mudare to mansoob yansaha. And
okay.
It brings about a strong negation in the sentence. And then it fixes the meaning to future.
Okay. Okay. It brings a strong negation, right. Very good. Okay. I was just going to ask you something, but forgot. Okay, wait. So next sentence, please.
So the translation after lan will be Noman. Noman will never advise your brother.
Your brother. Okay. Can we use Fe'l Mazi after lan? Can we say that lan like I want to use this mazi, Fe'l Mazi after lan. Can I do that?
No, because these particles are used on a mudare, right?
Yes, we cannot, because these are exclusively for Fele Mudare. We cannot use any Fele Mazi after these three particles what we have studied today. Very good, mashallah. Next sentence, please.
Yalbisuna siyabahumul jadidata.
Ji. Translation.
Okay. So yalbasuna siyabahum. Okay.
To put on, to
They,
wear.
yeah. They are siyabahum yalbasuna, wearing, right? They are wearing their new clothes.
They wear or they will wear their new dresses or new clothes.
Okay.
Siyab is actually, I think, dress, the jama of saub. Sir,
Yes,
would you mind
right.
helping us?
Yes, right.
Yes. Can't say clothes, we'll say dresses because the stitched ones are called dress. Okay, siyab. Okay, yalbasuna siyabahumul jadidata. Okay, why al jadidata is in the nasab state?
Because
Safia?
it's shift for siyab because it's gairakil jama.
Very good. Okay, and just give me like what is the compound in siyabahum? What is the compound?
Murakkab izafi.
Murakkab izafi. Where do we keep the sift of mudaf? Suppose in a sentence, if I want to give the two adjectives for the mudaf as well as for the mudaf ilay, where should I place the adjective for mudaf? I'm using
They will
two
come after.
adjectives.
They will come after murakkab izafi, and if they are shift for both mudaf and mudaf ilay. The one for the mudaf ilay will come first, and then for the mudaf will come later.
Yes, the mudaf ilay and its adjective will be together. They'll be replaced side by side. But the adjective or the sift for the mudaf will be after the mudaf ilay's adjective. If we are using two adjectives, that is the two adjectives, the mudaf's adjective as well as the sift for the mudaf ilay, then you have to keep the mudaf's adjective or the sift after the mudaf ilay's adjective. Okay. Jazakallah khair. Okay.
So, Habiba.
Now use the
So, Habiba, this detailed explanation you can take
Yes,
during
over.
private classes. So
Okay, sir.
we'll
I just
focus here
wanted
today.
because okay, sir, just wanted this because we were doing in fifth batch as sixth, seventh batch also. So I just wanted to do this, and then I'll go for a little
Yeah, because
fast.
we will keep
Inshallah.
ourselves on the topic, because
Okay.
otherwise this class will become
Use
3
the
hours.
Yes, sir. Use landia.
Okay. Then lan yalbasu siyabahumul jadida. The noon will be dropped, ma'am.
Yes, noon will be dropped. Okay, to make it mansub. Okay, translation, please.
They will never wear their new dresses, you said, right?
Yes, the new dresses. Okay. We can say they will never wear, and we can also say they will not wear. Okay. Next, would you mind doing the next one also?
Okay. Yakhra'ul waladul baba wa yadkhulu fi bayti akhihi.
Now you have to use the particle kai.
Okay.
What are the three things it does?
Okay, kai. It gives the reason for the action said before that. Before what action comes before kai. And then it.
The first thing it brings.
It will make the mudare coming after it into mansub state.
Yes, good. And what else?
And it gives a noun form
of the verb. The verb.
Yeah.
It takes the it gives the noun form of the verb. Does not take the verb to any tense. Okay. Okay. Now give the translation, please. Using the kai, give the sentence and then the translation.
Okay. Yakhra. Khara meaning, ma'am?
Khara, to knock. K-N-O-C-K. Knock the door.
Okay. The boy is knocks the door. First, I have to say the meaning of this without using kai, right?
Okay, do it that way and then we'll do it with the kai. Okay.
Okay. The boy knocks the door and he enters his brother's house.
Okay. And he enters or he will enter. Okay, ठीक है. Then use the kai.
Okay. Yakhra'ul waladul baba. Kai.
Instead of va, remove that and add kai.
Okay. Kai yadkhula. Kai yadkhula fi bayti akhihi.
Very good. Give the this thing translation.
Okay. The boy knocks the door to enter his brother's house.
Yes, we can say to or in order to. Both we can use. Okay, good. Mashallah, Jazakallah khair. Next student, please. Whom should I call? Dr. Smita, please. Sir, can I take a batch 5th?
No problem. This is batch 5, 6 for both.
Okay.
But Dr. Smitha, is she ready? I think she did not listen lecture.
I don't know. I'll see. Dr. Smita. I think she's not. Walaikum assalam. Do you want to participate?
Sorry, ma'am. I just joined it, but I don't know the concept.
Okay, no problem. Okay, who else then?
Okay, I will.
Aisha Dania.
I will explain.
Aisha Dania. Sir, आप explain करेंगे या मैम?
Yes. تدخل البنت في المدرسة. Okay, Dr. Miss Habiba. Please use learn with the sentence.
Assalamu alaikum.
Aisha is there, sir. She wants to take part in it.
No, if she has listened the lecture, okay. If no, class, no need.
Were you there, Aisha? Were you there since the beginning of the class? Okay. لن تدخل البنت في المدرسة. لن تدخل
Okay. So learn what it will do.
It will take the mudari into the mansub state.
Yes. So what will happen? This tadkhula, it will become tadkhula. So what the meaning? How the meaning will get changed?
It will give extra emphasis on the text in the negative form. The girl will never enter the school.
Very good. Lan tadkhul al-bintu fil madrasati. So can you read
so
the
Sonia
next
wants
sentence?
To take part in it. Should I give her a chance?
تشرب القهوة بدون السكر. تشرب القهوة بدون السكر. What does it mean?
She or you drinks a coffee without sugar or sugarless.
Yeah. So she or you. We will say, for example, we are talking تشرب القهوة بدون السكر. You are drinking or you will drink the coffee without sugar. Now, we want to use la nahi. What does it mean, la nahi?
It gives the negative, like it gives the talab. We call it na talab. So we are requesting or we are ordering not to do that.
Not requesting, ordering.
Ordering not to do that word.
This la nahi is the order of negation. So what will happen? It will make tashribu majzoom or mansoob.
Yes, majzoom, jasif.
Majzoom. So how you will translate now? La tashrib al-qahwata biduni sukkari.
Biduni sukkari. Ji. La tashrib al-qahwata biduni sukkari.
Don't drink the coffee without sugar.
Sugar. Ji.
Okay, I will explain, Miss Abiba. Tadhabuna ila madrasatikum al-jadidata. You all are going to your new school. You all are going to your new school. Or you will go to your new school. So tadhabuna, it is fi'l mudare. Fa'il is antum. Madrasatikum murakkab idhafi. Al-jadidatu siftu madrasa. It is mudaf. That's why it became majroor, because ila harfu jar forced the madrasati to majroor. So the sentence will become I want to say amr, I want to order. اذهبوا إلى مدرستكم الجديدة. File is same antum, but the meaning change. Go to your new school. You all go to your new school. Next sentence. أغسل سيارتي وألعب كرة القدم مساء. I shall wash my car and I shall play football in the evening. I want to use lan. What I will do, lan aghsila sayyarati wala al'abu kurratal qadami masa'an. So here I use la to give you the difference of two meaning. Lan aghsila sayyarati, I shall never wash my car. Wala al'abu kurratal qadami masa'an. And neither I will play football today evening, masa'an. Or in the evening. It will be in the evening, not today's evening. For that, we have to bring Masa al-Yawm. So, Alhamdulillah, I tried to explain the main concept. It is lan, idan, and kai or likai or lam al-ta'lil. Now it is on your part. You have to find out in Quran where after lam, if you find fil mudare, mansub, consider it, this is lam kai or lam ta'lil. Or if you find lan, you will find fi'l mudari mansoob after lan. So simply translate or read the translation or try to understand there. Or I hope Ms. Habiba will do a hard exercise with you in your practice class. I hope Ms. Habiba, they will talk in your class, right?
Inshallah. Yes.
Inshallah. Okay.
But not many students, 5 or 7 only there.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.